In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Google Slides presentation with voice using Screencastify, a tutorial designed specifically for teachers. This simple and efficient method allows you to add audio to your presentations, making them more engaging and interactive for your students. Let's get started by heading over to Google Slides. If you don't already have a Google Slides account, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Simply go to the Google Slides website and log in with your email and password. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one first, which is a quick and straightforward process. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage where all your presentations are conveniently listed. Now, to create a new presentation, you can either click on the blank presentation option, which will open a fresh canvas for you to work with, or you can choose from one of the many templates available. Selecting a template might save you some time if you're unsure about the design elements of your presentation, offering you a more polished look right from the start. Next, you'll need to set up Screencastify if you haven't already. Screencastify is a browser extension primarily for Chrome that allows you to record your screen and add voiceovers to your presentations. If you haven't installed it yet, search for Screencastify in the Chrome Web Store and add the extension to your browser. Once installed, ensure it's activated by clicking on the Screencastify icon, which you'll find on the top right corner of your browser window. It's important to grant access to your microphone when prompted, as this will allow you to record voiceovers. With Screencastify ready to go, navigate back to Google Slides, open the presentation you wish to record, or if you're starting from scratch, have your slides ready for narration. Click again on the Screencastify icon in your browser and you'll see the option to start recording. Ensure that the microphone toggle is turned on so your voice will be captured as you present. When you're ready, click on Record. Screencastify will give you a brief countdown before starting, which is a great moment to take a deep breath and prepare to begin your presentation. As you go through your slides, narrate your content just as you would in a live classroom setting. This method not only helps in maintaining students' attention, but also allows for a personalized touch, connecting directly with your learners. Once you've finished your presentation, stop the recording. Screencastify will automatically save the recording to your designated folder, often within Google Drive, making it easy to share with students or colleagues. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can record a Google Slides presentation with your voice using Screencastify, creating a dynamic and personal learning experience for your students. Thank you for watching and happy teaching.